Your brain can literally become its own alarm clock, no gadgets needed. Scientists have found that your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, can be trained to wake you up at the same time every day just by sticking to a consistent sleep schedule. Imagine rolling out of bed refreshed, no blaring alarms, no snooze buttons, just your brain's natural timing waking you up. This isn't just for morning people, anyone can train their brain to do this by going to bed and getting up at exactly the same time, even on weekends. The more consistent you are, the more your brain anticipates your wake-up time, releasing hormones that gently nudge you awake before your alarm even goes off. It's like unlocking a secret setting in your body that makes groggy mornings a thing of the past. So next time you're tempted to sleep in on Saturday, remember, every time you stick to your schedule, you're making your brain smarter at waking up, no phone required.